I'm Tony Arnott. My job is to carry out energy audits.
I'm Jessie Watling, the CFO for Mount Ruapehu.
The main thing is to look for opportunities to improve energy efficiency and save costs, but part of it's also about understanding where your energy goes to start with, so that you can really get a handle on what's going on.
The audit that we are going through with Genesis is really exciting. The efficiencies it's going to help us identify around areas where we can not only save costs but operate in a more environmentally sustainable manners.
The site visit involves going around and looking at the main places where they use the electricity. For Whakapapa and Tūroa, the main places are the lifts. You can't have a ski field operating without your lifts, and they do use a lot of power, especially the gondola, which is the new addition at Whakapapa. And then you've got heating. So heating, it's not just for the air heating that you might see around the place, but there's also underfloor heating. The third big user is snowmaking. We've got, I think it's about 80 snowmaking guns at Whakapapa. So on a really good snowmaking night, they'll have all of those going, putting out a whole lot of snow.
So looking into the future, we really hope to achieve, with the partnership with Genesis, around creating further efficiencies, really understanding our electricity usage, and also hopefully creating efficiencies in a cost sense as well.
Genesis, with you, for you.